For this last exercise of the chapter, we're going to work another spelling exercise, this time looking for words that end with EING, such as writing and hiding, which of course are spelled wrong if the E is included. So we'll start a new project in C#. It's going to be a console application, and we're going to call it spelling. So the first thing we're going to do is import the regular expression library. So we have that. So we move down to the main program. We're going to have the user enter a string of words and then check their spelling that way. So the first thing we need to do is declare variable words and assign it the empty string. Then we'll prompt the user to enter a list of words, and then we'll get those words from the console. Next, we'll create our regular expression object, and the pattern we're searching for is EING, so that will be the argument for the constructor. Now we're ready to test the regular expression against our string. So we'll create a match collection object, matches, and call the matches method with our string words. Now we're going to loop through the collection of matches and display just the match itself. Later in the course, we're going to learn how to pull out the full word from a match. But all we can do right now is just pull out the part of the string, or a word in this case, that matches. So we'll write a for each loop and create a new variable a match that will store each match that we find. And then we just retrieve each match and call its toString method to display it. We need a console read key to hold the console window open. So now we're ready to run the program. So let's try a few words. Hiding, writing, and smiling. And we'll notice that it returned two matches, the EING in hiding and the EING in writing. Let's run it again. This time, let's spell all the words correctly. And we'll see that it returned no matches. So here's another example of using a regular expression literal to help in a spelling check situation. And with that, we'll wrap up this exercise, and that wraps up this introductory chapter on using regular expressions.